What up YouTube? So in today's video we're going to be taking off my ISR exhaust. It's pretty simple, 2 bolts there, 2 bolts here, and that's pretty much. And the grommet, and yeah, I'm actually getting a titanium ISR exhaust. So this is the last time you're going to see this exhaust. It's been pretty good with me, you know, I can't complain. It sounds amazing, but I really want that Tome experience, that titanium experience. So I'm gonna take you along the journey and let's take this off. All right everyone, check it out. It's already out pretty fast. So we just took out the 2 bolts over here. So I'm really running this on the eco map, so none of this really gets destroyed. Yeah, this is gonna get, you know, burnt up from last time when he took it off, I see. But overall it was pretty quick. So tomorrow I'm gonna pick up the new ISR titanium, and it comes with this titanium, but I don't know, it might be too loud for me, so I might just get another ISR resonator, but we'll see. I really do love this exhaust. So looks pretty clean. This is how I got it when the car came. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. All right YouTube, so I just came back from my 6-hour trip to pick up the new exhaust. He was so cool. He drives a white 370Z. As you see, there's the exhaust inside the car. Full titanium. Now, there was a couple of complications along the way. As you see, the bumper is pretty dirty and is also pretty beat up now. I hit a cone, as you see right here. That damage right there, damage right here, you know, right there. Then bumper, that piece is gone, which sucks. And then right there, as you see. And I think I also hit this, I'm not sure, but the door looks fine, so I don't know. But you know, we're gonna bounce back. New bumpers coming in soon. The fenders, I don't really care. I could just get new fenders. But overall, it was a pretty cool trip. I enjoyed it. I wish I could record for you guys, but the phone was acting up. I'm also going to insert some photos of the nail on my tire. Yes, you heard me right. I had a nail on my tire when I caught the flip. I patched it, and then during this incident, when I hit the construction cone, I had another nail in my tire leaking air, and thank God I had a tire in this passenger seat. So enough of me ranting. The next clip you're gonna see, which is tomorrow, the exhaust is getting put on the 370Z. Let's go. So guys, I'll catch you on tomorrow.
Oh! Just put a bunch of gas in there.
Let me just put a scenario for you. What
You put water in there and you turn that shit on.
And then you hit and it just like bricks.
I don't care. It was funny. I did that to someone's Tacoma.
Why?
If you put water.